Ever feel disoriented in the morning or find yourself stuck in a loop of negative thoughts during the day? Here's the thing, wherever you place your attention is where you place your energy. If you are looping in negativity, it's a clear sign that you're not placing enough attention on yourself. This is your moment to pause and regulate your nervous system. Take a walk, go to the gym, journal, cook, meditate, do breath work, clean, water your plants, practice yoga, whatever helps you break that loop and shift your energy. The truth is, there's only one solution to breaking a negative cycle, which is shifting your attention and energy back to yourself. This is why starting your day with a routine just for you is so important. It sets the tone for the day and it reminds you that you are your first priority. Whether it's the gym, a shower, breath work, meditation, journaling, or a simple cup of tea, find what works for you in the morning and stick with it. And I promise you will notice the difference, not just in your mornings, but throughout your entire day. Remember, the energy you give yourself is the energy you reflect to everything and everyone else.